Hey everyone, no long intro today. We are jumping straight into the obstacle course because the Roborock Q10 S5 is already showing me something good. Watch the screen with me. Right away you can see it spots the slippers, no hesitation. It drives tight along them without touching. Good start. And here is what I've not seen before. Watch this white phone charger with a little USB cable. The Q10 S5 sees it and drives neatly around it. This is the first device I have tested that actually spots this white charger. Now, important to note, this does not mean it catches every phone charger on the floor. Every robot vacuum cleaner has more trouble seeing black objects on the floor than light ones. So a white charger getting spotted is great, but do not read it as this thing sees all the cables. Keep that in mind because it comes back in a second. Now it moves to my stool. And here you see, it does not go under the stool to clean, even though it physically fits between the legs, and it's the same story with my chair with slanted legs. It just goes around it. These are two important measuring points when I test how cautious the robot is. Going under my chair with slanted legs is the harder one. Those angled legs leave a tighter and more awkward opening. Going under my stool with straight legs is much easier, and you can see that on camera. There is plenty of clearance. So the order is simple. A cautious robot already skips the slanted leg chair, but when a robot refuses to go under my stool with straight legs, when the gap is wide enough, this is the most cautious end of the scale. The Q10 S5 skips both, so it sits right at the careful end. It plays it safe, but it leaves those spots to clean for yourself. And now watch this part. It sees the little piece of paper under the cabinet and goes around it nicely. But right next to it, there's a black extension cord and it does not spot it. It even didn't mark it as an obstacle in the app either. It just drives over it and drags it along. And luckily, it is thick enough that the robot does not get tangled in it, but it's a clear miss and it lines up exactly with what I said earlier. Black obstacles on the floor are hard to spot for robot vacuum. Now it drives towards the toys, roughly the size of Lego figures. Does it see them? Yes, it sees them. And right away, it gets confronted with the fake poop, which thankfully it also spots. It maneuvers around it cleanly. Charlie even comes over to watch the show. The figures are stored in the memory at this point, so it keeps a safe distance from them. The fake poop again, it carefully avoids. The only thing it actually bumps into is the sock lying on the floor. But even then, it eventually registers the sock and it works its way carefully around it. So if you add it all up, the only two things it actually made contact with are the black extension cord and the sock. And that's a very good score in my book. I do think it's a shame that it will not clean under my chair with slanted legs or under my stool with straight legs because it fits. But for the obstacles itself, the Roborock Q10 S5 gets a passing grade for me. If obstacle avoidance is something that really matters to you, this is a solid device. And now in the meantime, I am running a bunch of other tests on this machine and I can already lift a tiny corner of the veil. I am seriously doubting whether I will keep this device or send it back. For this price class, it does some things really well, but I am running into a few frustration points that I think are going to make me barely use it, if at all. And if that is the case, I might as well return it. What exactly those frustrations are, I will show you in a video as soon as I can. Sorry for the cliffhanger. Making a proper detailed video takes a lot of time, and combining it with my 9-to-5 job, running a household, means I cannot post everything at once. But I'm doing my best to get the follow-up videos up as fast as possible. If you want to see how the story ends and want to see some other tests I performed with different devices, you can check them out on my channel. And thanks a lot for your time, and hopefully I will see you soon. And a big shout out to Robostofzuigers.nl. But I am running into a few. Watch this white phone charger with the little watch this wine phone.